Hello, this is Tom Bogner from Lucas Oil Products. Today I want to talk to you about another great fuel additive from Lucas Oil. If your vehicle's over 75,000 miles, chances are the carbon's built up on both the combustion chamber, the valves. Using this with your fill-up can help reduce that carbon buildup, also keeping your fuel injection cleaner. You can use it in carbureted or injected engines. It's as easy as pouring it in the fuel tank and driving. And right now, with the fuel prices so high and just continuing to climb, this is a great way to improve that fuel mileage. Also providing lubricity to the fuel, it's a detergent package that does the cleaning. It's environmentally friendly, and it causes fuel to burn more completely for fewer emissions and more miles per gallon. Stops knocking, hesitation, and restores lost power and miles per gallon. Lucas Oil high mileage fuel treatment, it works.